I was looking for actually specifically GAC and Zoom. Iisip lang ako, problem ko. Actually, hindi naman problem. Consideration ko yung approval. So, I look up sa FB and then Kawit came out. So, I inquired immediately or ang bilis. Sumagot agad yung messenger, si Joy. So, from there, sinabi ko, pupunta ako. I came one day, tapos in-entertain ako. Then, sabi niya, requirements, and then approval. Bilis. So, wala akong naging problema. Tapos, palagi siya nag-update. So, wala akong naging problema na hindi ako yung tumatawag, siya yung nag-update. And then, approval. After approval, ang bilis. Makukuha ko kaagad yung car. I will recommend this GAC Kawit. 1, napaka-friendly ng mga tao. Number 2, madaling kausapin. Number 3, i-assist ka talaga all throughout. From the beginning until ma-release yung car. So Joy, maraming salamat and I'm sure yung service mo, service ng GAC Kawit, maraming pupunta rito.